Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to be going over 6 hair growth tips that works for me. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you guys all natural. How's the quarantine treating everybody else? You can leave that down below, but let's get right into this video. So as you guys can see by the title, this video is going to be about 6 hair growth tips. I do live by these tips myself, so there's not anything on this list that I'm actually not doing. All right, so I do have a list and we'll just jump right in. So the first tip is going to be space out your relaxers if you do get a relaxer, okay? So it's not good to get back-to-back relaxers. You want to give your hair a chance to grow, and then you want to stretch it out with a relaxer. I would suggest getting relaxers every 6 to 12 months, okay? The next tip would be massage your scalp to stimulate hair growth. Massaging your scalp can be very, very good when it comes to hair growth, okay? You don't have to buy any of these special devices or any of these weird looking things. Just a simple taking your hair down out of ponytails or whatever the case may be and just massage it. Just like this, just go all around, or maybe get someone else to massage your scalp would be great as well, okay? So carrying on, the next one will be only wash your hair if it is truly dirty, okay? This is such a big thing, and it's also the biggest misconception people have, you know, come to learn on my channel when it comes to hair growth tips, okay? So when you wash your hair, you can wash the minerals away, which is the good things that you actually need away. If you just must wash your hair, I would suggest only doing it with conditioner, okay? With conditioner, it will give you a good wash, but it will also leave those minerals in your hair. If your hair is just truly dirty, let's say you went to the pool, I don't know, you have dirt, actual dirt in your hair, or any other type of gunk in your hair, excessive gel or anything like that, I would say yes, then you use shampoo, okay? But you shouldn't be using shampoo on a regular basis, all right? And you shouldn't, like I said, you shouldn't be washing your hair regularly either, too regularly either. I'm sorry. Some people that have really greasy hair, like naturally greasy hair, which I'm one of those type of people, that grease is actually really good for hair growth. It stimulates hair growth a lot, all right? So I would suggest trying to keep that in there as long as possible, okay? So moving right along, I would say the next one is going to be keep a protective style as much as possible. This is so important, okay? Keeping your hands out of your hair is basically what I am saying. Braids, okay, especially like knotless braids or something like that. Any type of like protective style that you can keep your hair in for a long period of time is great, all right? I would definitely suggest it. When you constantly comb through your hair, you pull on your hair, you pull it really tight, you're really damaging your hair, and you don't want to do that, okay? You want to give it a chance to grow and to flourish, all right? So the next one, number 5, is going to be keep a steady hair routine. This is so important. You don't want to confuse your hair, okay guys? You want to keep it really like strict and just the same products, all right? I would not suggest you use this type of grease on Monday and then a different grease on Tuesday, then different on Wednesday. You know, I wouldn't suggest you doing that. I wouldn't suggest you using all these just different kind of products. I just wouldn't suggest that, because a lot of times your hair doesn't like that. Honestly, the main thing to hair growth is simplicity in bold letters. Okay, and once you realize that, all those other things really do not matter, okay? I know that some people are like, okay, I'm gonna get this type of shampoo and a most expensive type of conditioner. Shampoo and conditioner is shampoo and conditioner, guys, okay? I do use shampoo and conditioner from Dollar Tree. That's good. If you just want to kind of step it up a notch, you can use Tresemme. Tresemme is wonderful, and they come in the big bottles. Don't be going to spend all your money on like these shampoos and conditioners who promise to restore split ends or to do this or to do that. Nobody has time to spend like $30 and $40 on a bottle of shampoo and conditioner. No, leave that on the shelves, okay? So the last one is going to be as less heat as possible. Okay, now if you're one of my girls who get the sew-ins with leave out and different kind of styles where you have to constantly like flat iron your hair, I would suggest not to do that. Try to pick another protective style. Wigs are great, glueless wigs are great. I'm not saying constantly put glue on your hairline. I'm not saying constantly put gel on your hairline. That's not what I'm saying. But if you can get you a nice wig or some nice braids or something like that, that would be great. Heat does also include blow drying your hair. I don't blow dry my hair a lot, y'all. Air drying is just as fine. Okay, most of the time, almost all of the time when I wash my hair, I put it in a style like this, really simple, and I just go in with a braid. Sometimes I'll do more than one braid, and my hair in a couple, like 2 days later, it will dry on its own. You do not have to blow dry your hair unless, I guess, you're about to do some type, or like you're about to flat iron or something like that. But blow drying your hair is just not at all necessary. That's way too, that's just an excessive amount of heat. And if you are going to flat iron it, I really don't suggest like blow drying it and then flat ironing it. I think that's too much at one time. Maybe do one, space it out maybe a couple days to a week, and then do the other. Okay, or let it air dry and then do flat ironing. That's what I would suggest. But anyways, you guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I don't want to make this like super long or anything like that. I just wanted to kind of hit a couple key points. Let me know what works for you guys, what works for you all when it comes to hair growth. Do you use any of these tips? Will you be using any of these tips? Do you already know about some of these tips? Just leave it all down below and we will discuss in the comments. Also, let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. I will keep them coming, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.